In WebWork, you can pay your workspace members through PayPal, Stripe, Remote, Bitwage, and Xero. Before making these payments, there are a few steps you should follow. The first thing you should do is go down to Finances, then click on Manage Payroll. And here at the top, you'll be able to see all the payment and payroll integrations that are available. So from here, you can choose the integrations that you want to use and activate them. As we can see here, the card option is activated by default, meaning you can pay through the card right away. However, the receiver must create a Stripe account. To do that, you should go to the Settings, then go to Finance. Then from here, you can click on Get Paid. Here you can choose to get paid either through PayPal or card payment. Next, if you want to pay with PayPal, the first thing you should do is connect your PayPal account. To do that, you should go and click on PayPal, and from here you'll just need to log in into your PayPal account and it'll be connected to WebWork. The receiver can also connect their PayPal account. However, even if they don't connect, but have a PayPal account with the same email as for their WebWork account, they'll still receive the payment. Now to pay through Remote, the first thing you should do is enable the integration. You can do that by going into the Finance section, then going to Manage Payroll, and from here you can click on the Remote integration. Once you set up the integration, you'll be able to start doing payments directly through Remote. When you send payments through Remote, it gets added to the member's total incentive balance. It's not paid out right away, but instead it's included with their next regular paycheck during their scheduled pay period. Up next we have Bitwage. To pay through Bitwage, you'll need to activate the integration first. Again, you can go down to Finances, then Manage Payroll, and from here you can click on Bitwage. Unlike Remote, payments on Bitwage are processed and delivered instantly. And lastly, we have Xero. Using the Xero integration, you'll be able to send the bill to Xero so it can be paid from there. Again, you should go ahead and enable the integration. When you make a payment through Xero, WebWork automatically creates and sends a bill to Xero, linking it directly to the supplier's contact record. Now that you have connected and integrated with payment and payroll tools, you can start making payments. To do that, you should go to Finances, then go to Payments. Then you can go ahead and click on Make Payment. From here, you can choose the payment system you'd like to use. Then you should select a member, as well as fill out the amount. And lastly, you can choose to write a note if you want. Once all the information is filled out, you can go ahead and press Pay.